These are no small times. Something is emerging in our world and in us. When the world in the outer is not showing the way, the calling is to become the way. At Unity Village Chapel, we remember we are not separate. The idea of I has expanded. I now means we. In this season, we are invited to live and embody a new thought. We are an unborn possibility of limitless life, limitless intelligence, limitless substance. So take a breath with me. What is being born in you right now? We are the ones. The time is now. Namaste.